Technology is defining Uganda's credit systems, less about paperwork and collateral and more about digital behavior and mobile signals. As financial institutions aim to lend more responsibly in underserved markets, fintechs and telecoms are providing the real-time data insights needed to assess risk more intelligently. One of the early adopters is Leteho, which is using alternative data to reach borrower segments often excluded by traditional credit scoring.
I'll tell you that our approval rates have actually gone high by over 300%. We've seen an increase in the number of loans that we are able to get through using alternative data. So customers who pay within the time, within the agreed terms and conditions of the loan will now benefit from lower interest rates, and now that will bring down the cost of credit.
This success is being powered by partnerships with data-focused fintechs like New Grid Credit Reference Bureau, which analyzes mobile usage patterns to generate credit profiles, especially for clients with no formal credit.
And for me, that's the most interesting thing, because now banks are coming out of their comfort zone to go digital, to deploy their capital through new-to-bank channels. So for me, that is very exciting. But that demonstrates that for the 3 years we have been in the space, we have been able to introduce something new that has attracted institutions to go to do lending in a more secure way.
At the core of this shift is mobile network operators and these fintechs.
We've seen our non-performing loans drop from around 15% to below 10%. We've been with New Grid, now it's coming to a year, and we think the future is even brighter, because the more you rank these customers and the more you use this engine, the more it brings down your exposure as you continue to give out these loans to our customers.
So we look at the behavior. If you took money, did you pay? And did you pay it on time? So we come up with a rating. Depending on your, your repayment behavior, so we rate you as a AAA. AAA means a good customer. Basically, you have demonstrated the ability to borrow and repay on time, and it can go down to a EEE, and a EEE represents the worst case customers.
The revelations from this story highlight a broader trend that the digital infrastructure is becoming essential to Uganda's financial sector, enabling safer lending, wider access, and better performing loan books. Malcolm Sime, NTV Weekend Edition.